Do you feel that after using your mobile phone for a long time, it becomes more and more laggy? Because there are too many junk files on your phone and they are not cleaned. A few simple steps to help you clean up your phone files. First, open the File Management and search for temp in the search box. These are temporary files on the phone. Select them all and delete them. Enter Cache Search. These are the cache files of the mobile phone. Delete them all after selecting them. Enter Backup to search. These files are backup files of the mobile phone and are also deleted. Search for download and the downloaded file on your phone comes up. Delete it. Clean up your phone files in 4 simple steps and say goodbye to phone lag. Regularly cleaning up useless files can ensure that your phone runs in good condition. Has your phone been cleaned? Thanks everyone for watching. If you have a better method, please share it below the video. MLE Phone for a long time. Please follow us for more content.